Have you ever been to a library not knowing where to start? Have you ever been confused by all the library terms that bombard you in college? Well, Regent University's librarians are here to help guide you in utilizing and understanding the library for your research. Let's begin by overviewing some terms. First, you may encounter the word browser. A web browser refers to an app that allows you to access the internet. The library strongly recommends students use Google Chrome and Firefox for the best library experience. Once you arrive at the library homepage, you will encounter Primo. Primo is the library finding aid and discovery tool that will search the library catalog and databases. Database refers to an electronic collection of information such as ebooks and articles that students can access. A journal article is an article that is published in a scholarly journal that undergoes a peer-reviewed process. These articles can be found using Primo. When you access a journal article, you can read the abstract, which is a short summary of the article's findings. When you finish reading through books and journal articles, you will encounter their bibliography, which is a compilation of all the citations of their utilized sources. Another bibliography students will compose or read is an annotated bibliography, which gives a summary of each of the sources. The purpose of annotations is to provide the reader with a summary and an evaluation of each source. Another term college students will see is eResource, which simply refers to an online ebook or journal article. You can find these eResources using Primo. Now that you know more about library terms, you can begin your online research. And if you have any questions, you can always contact a librarian who will be more than happy to assist you.